Understanding, Compliance Check, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, compliance check. This phrase is commonly used in various professional and everyday contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage is important for English learners. Let's dive in. Compliance check is a compound noun, consisting of two words, compliance and check. Let's understand each word separately. Compliance refers to the act of conforming to a rule, standard, or law. It means following what is required or asked. Check, in this context, means an examination or inspection to ensure that everything is correct and meets the set standards. When combined, compliance check refers to an examination or review to ensure that rules, regulations, or standards are being followed. The phrase, compliance check, can be used in various settings. 1. Business and workplaces. Companies conduct compliance checks to ensure employees are following company policies and legal regulations. 2. Legal and regulatory bodies. Governments and regulatory agencies perform compliance checks to ensure laws and regulations are being adhered to. 3. Daily life. The term can also appear in everyday situations, like when a building manager checks if residents are following the rules of the building. To get a better understanding, let's see some examples. 1. The tax office is conducting a compliance check on our financial records. 2. Our school regularly performs compliance checks to ensure safety protocols are followed. 3. During the compliance check, they found some discrepancies in the inventory records. I hope this video helped you understand the meaning and usage of compliance check. It's a phrase that you might encounter in various contexts, so knowing what it means can be really helpful. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.